Hi guys, welcome to Digitally Grow. Today I show you how to secure your website. So let's get started. After logging into WordPress, go to Plugins, click on Add New and search WordPress. So WordPress is a security plugin. So install now and activate. Now enter your email address here and check this yes, because when you log into WordPress send you an email, and also if anyone try to log in your WordPress, they send you email. So it's important. Okay, and check this yes and continue. Because we use free version, so don't need any premium key. If you have premium key, then also go for it. Okay, so we go for no thanks. Now we set up 2FA, two-factor authentication. It's the best way to protect your website. So now go to WordPress and click on Login Security. Before we set up 2FA authentication, first go to your smartphone app store and install one app, Google Authentication app. Okay, and then scan this QR code. After that, download these recovery codes. These recovery codes help you in case you forgot your smartphone. Okay, download this code and then put here the 6-digit code. When you scan this QR code, you get a 6-digit code. Okay, this code always change after 1 minute. So put it here and activate. So the setup is successfully done. In case you block yourself, then you need another device to log in your WordPress. Okay, so what you do, go with another device and keep your mind one thing, don't use same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Okay, so use other device and other network and log in your WordPress and go to WordPress firewall, and here is the blocking. Click on blocking and here is the list. You got the IP address has been blocked. Okay, so just choose your IP address and delete the IP address. Okay, and then again you can log in your WordPress from these devices. Okay, so our WordPress is successfully set up, and one more thing you should do is always enable auto update for security plugins. Okay, so I enable it now. If in case you not get the notification here, just go to plugins, install plugins. So here is the list of WordPress plugins. So this is WordPress security. Click on enable auto updates and auto updates has been successfully enabled. You also do for others plugins also. Okay. The next most important thing is change the URL of WordPress login page. Okay, so go to plugins, add new plugins, search for WPS height. So this is the plugin. Install now. And click on activate. So it's activate now. So we go to settings to change the link. So click on settings here and here is the link. This is my website and the login. Okay, so we change it to, I change it to my name. Okay, so if I type this URL, then the WordPress login page is open. If I use previous WordPress login URL, then it show 404 error. Okay, so here I choose my name. You can choose any words. Okay sir, don't worry. So now save changes. Now it's successfully done. So this is the URL. So let's check this out. Log out. First I use my previous login URL. Okay, this is my previous login URL. Hit it. You can see that nothing here. It show a error. So I use my new URL. So it's open now. So now we log in it again to see the WordPress security. Login. So here you can see you need the code of Google authentication app. So put it here. So it's open now. We successfully done how to secure your website. In the next video, I show you the best plugins for WordPress. So subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.